How to permanently delete your PiggyVest account. There are things you should know before trying to delete your account permanently. You need to know that your funds have to be moved to your withdrawal account. You have to liquidate all your savings. You have to transfer all your money out from your piggy bank, from your flex wallet or flex naira, from your flex dollar, and also you have to move your money from the safe log and investify if you have one. You have to move your money either when it is matured or you liquidate it. So after doing all of this, then you can contact the customer care via their email or through their number. Their email is contact@piggyvest.com. So you can send an email to them. So they will run you through a verification process to confirm if you are the owner of the account. And this verification process is just something that is simple. They can ask you to confirm the phone number, your email, the registered email, the email you register with them, and the name on your BVN, just to validate that you are the true owner of the account. So once this is validated, then they will process your permanent closure of your account and remove all your personal information from their account database. So that is that. See you in the next video.